Hello my dear children, today we are going to do one worksheet adding to make 10 and 20. That is, here you can see number line. Here it starts from 0 and ends with 10. Okay, 0 to 10 and the second number line is from 10 and up to 20. So, between these two number line, you can see some numbers 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, last it is 10. Then middle of 0 and 1, 0.5, then 1.5 between 1 and 2, next 2, here 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and so on. Okay, then here the first point will be here 0, this will be 0.1, this will be 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1.0. That 1.0 is 1. Okay. Next point will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. Then this we can say 1.9, next 2.0, that is 2. Here the work of this worksheet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Then for this next I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. What is this? Here A represents 1.7, the arrow mark. A is here. This arrow mark shows the point of A. That is here 1.5, then next 1.6, then here it is 1.7. 1.7 plus a number equal to 10. Which number? Here 1.7 up to here, okay. Then remaining 1, 2, 3. So 0.3 will be there. That 3 we have to write here. When you reach here 0.3, we will get 2. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Okay. Then next we have to think about the point B. B stands on here 7, 7.1, 7.2. So here we have to write 7.2. Then think about here 7.2, then 1, after then count small lines, or 2 plus 8. Okay, 2 plus 8 will be 10. Then that 8 we can write here 0.8. Now we got 8. Okay, 7.2 plus 0.8 is equal to 8. Here 7.2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here this 8 I wrote it as 0.8. That is 7.2 plus 0.8 is equal to 8. 8. Okay, this 8. Next 9, 10. So 2 numbers. So 2.8 is equal to 10. Next question is question number C. Then C is here. C represents here 4. So after then 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, then 4.4. So C represents 4.4. Okay, that is here. Then count small lines. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0.6. Then we can reach on our 5. Okay, that is 4.4 plus 4.4 plus 0.6 equal to 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 now. So 5 will be there. Is it clear? Then how can we check is it correct or wrong? Here this number won't be there. We will get very fast. That is 1.7 plus a number equal to 10. So 10.0 minus 1.7. What is the answer? Here 0 minus 7 is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So now there is no 0. 1, that will be 0. Here it became 10. From this 10 we can borrow 1. Then now it is 9. This became 10. Okay. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 7, 3. Then point will be there. Then 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This 8.3 is the answer. Now you got it. Then now when we are adding we have to get 10. So here 10.0. Here 0.0, that is because of we have to avoid the mistake. So we can keep here 10 because we are subtracting point numbers. Okay. Decimal numbers from this whole number. So 10 is there. 10.0 we can write. Then 7.2. That is 7.2. We have to subtract. Here it will be 10 and this will be 9. Okay. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Then point. 9 minus 7, 2. So 2.8 is the answer. So this is correct. Next number is 4.4 plus a number equal to 10. So what can we do? We can do 10.0 minus 4.4. So this we can cut. We can write 10 and this will be 9. Here point will be there. 10 minus 4, 6. Then here point. 9 minus 4, 5. So we can write 5.6. I think now you got the idea how can we complete this first part. That is, here two parts will be. First part is A to H. That is, we have to write the point of each letters. That I will write on this blank. Okay, this blank you have to find. Then when we are adding these two numbers, we have to get 10. Clear for you? Okay. Then for the second part, this is starting from 10 and ends with 0. Question starts from I and up to P. Okay. So here I, the letter I stands on, I is here. Here 16. Then 16 plus 2. Okay. 16.2. So here we can write 16.2. So which number will we need to add to get 20? Here 0.2. So 16.2. Then we have to reach 17. Then 0.2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 0.8. Now we got 0.2 plus 0.8 is equal to next 10. That is here 16. Now we got 17. Then now 17. Then 18, 19, 20. That is 3 here. 18, 19, 20. That is 3 we need to add. So 3.8. Clear for you? How can we check? Here I stands on 16.2. So When we are adding these two, we have to get 20. Here I stands on 16.2. Then 20.0 minus 16.2. Here this 0 will be which number? This will be 10 and 20 became 19. So 10 minus 2, 8. Then 19 minus 16, 3. So now that is 3.8. Okay. Then can we add this two? We can add it. 16.2 plus 3.8. 2 plus 8, 0. 1 will be there. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 20.0 is the answer. Okay. Then the next question is J. Here J is here. Here it is 13.5. So 13.6, 13.7, 13.8, 13.9. So the point of J is 13.9. Then here 13.9, then 14. For getting the 14.1 is the difference. So write that one. Now we got 14. Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then how many? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.1 is the answer. So how can we check? Or how can we find out this 6.1? Easy way. 20.0 minus 13.9. So here it will be 10 and this became 19. So 10 minus 9, 1 point. Here 19 minus 13, 6. 6.1 is the answer. We can check 13.9 plus 6.1. 9 plus 1, 0. Then 13 plus 6, 19 plus 1, 20. 20.0 is equal to 20 itself. Okay. I think now you got the idea how can we complete this worksheet. Thank you.